Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to set ringtone. So before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. So let us start the video. First of all, you have to move to the setting. You have to press the setting, then you have to come down, then you have to press sound and vibration. You have to press it. So you have to press this ringtone. So whatever you want to choose it, so many ringtones are here. So if you want to choose local ringtone, also it's here. If you want to choose it from music, your own music, also it's here. And if you want to choose it from your pre-installed ringtone, you have to choose it. So many ringtones are here available, so you have to press it one from here, then it's done already. So it will be set it on only. So it is done now. So if you like this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.